My name is Sajid Lassani. I will be your Python instructor during this program. I want to start by congratulating you for the step that you have just achieved. I strongly believe that you have made the right choice. What you are going to learn is going to be beyond what you are expecting right now. So, let's get started with this presentation. In this video, I'm going to share with you how the class is going to be divided, and I will give you some tips before to start the class. The class will start with a quick and short Python crash course. This crash course is optional. If you have some missing knowledge in terms of Python, I strongly recommend you to follow a complete Python course. And this course is gonna be fulfilled over time. I just prefer to let you know before to start or even before you enrolled, just to let you know that this course is gonna be fulfilled over time. At the time on which I'm talking right now is not completed. And step by step in the next months and the next years are gonna be completed step by step in order to have a full complete crash course. After that you will have a Plotly crash course as well. But the Plotly crash course, I strongly believe that even if that's optional, even if you have a strong experience with Python, I strongly believe that this data visualization class must be followed, because I will give you some tips, and in order to have the best output of the class, data visualization will be key, even for reading your trading strategy to understand when you should buy and when you should sell. In algorithmic trading, the data visualization is key. That's why I believe that this class, even if it's optional, I strongly recommend you to follow it. Okay, once you have passed the crash course, you will go through how to get market data. During this video, I'm going to share with you how to get market data concerning the stock exchange, the cryptocurrencies, the forex, and plus a bonus in the second video, something very special. After that, you will have a finance and trading masterclass with Sami, on which he will go into details about the different trading strategy, which type of strategy you should apply when you use algorithmic trading. Because as you may be aware, you have more than 100 trading strategies. You have Ishimoku, RSI, moving average, momentum trading strategy, and I'm not going to cite everything, but we are going to describe different of them, the most important and the most impactful at our eyes. And once you have done that, and during this masterclass, I will give you some class on how to apply this trading strategy in real time by using Python for different trading strategies. After that, you will have a real case on which you will have to implement your algorithmic trading strategy from scratch. You will have two levels, a beginner level and advanced level. That will depend on your level in terms of Python. If you're feeling very comfortable with Python, I strongly advise you to go directly to the advanced level. Otherwise, you can just start with the beginner level. We are going to go step by step in terms of challenge. And at the end of it, you will be more fluent about how to implement an algorithmic trading strategy. You will be able to see by yourself when you should buy and when you should sell any shares. Once you will be done, I will add a chapter which is going to be named COVID-19 Trading Analytics Strategy, which means we are going to use quantitative mathematics to analyze how COVID-19 have impacted the market and to get the output of it. And after that, once you will be all done with how to apply different algorithms and to have it visually, we will automate this process. And I will share with you my best algorithm that I spent 1 year to develop, that I call Star Wars Algorithmic Trading Strategy. It's the most efficient, and mainly in period with high volatility. This algorithm is working very well, and you will see it and you will be able to implement it. I don't know if you have any trading account, but you will be able to implement it for yourself. So guys, I'm happy that you enrolled in this class, and see you in the next video.